Crescendo!
Qualification match number 107 officially underway here on the Galileo division. We got notes soaring through the sky for both of these alliances. Red Alliance, each of their robots gets one in with these. OP Robotics heading in for a couple more, trapping them to the midline and getting one in at the buzzer. We are 27-21 in favor of red, moving into our tele-operated period. Robots are going to come alive. Students are going to take control. 245 deep in Blue Alliance territory, heading towards the Red Alliance source, trying to evade all this traffic, courtesy of 7762, the autopilots. 245 trying to weave their way around, avoiding their partner LP Robotics in the process as well, taking that under the stage shortcut as best they can. Blue Alliance is going to be first to amplification to take the lead back from the Red Alliance. Remember, notes are 5 points apiece during amplification. We got a handful in for Blue to jump themselves ahead to 45-34. Red Alliance is going to answer back with an amplification of their own in hopes of catching and gaining some ground on this Blue Alliance. We are going to be note for note and shot for shot here in match 107. 1 point separates these two teams with a little over a minute left to go. Blue Alliance is going to amplify once again. 7762 hanging themselves over there. 4907 getting ready to rock and roll as well. They're lining themselves up for one more shot. That is the Thunder Stamps from Ontario, Canada. A little bit of a traffic jam in front of the Red Alliance source as teams trying to traverse back and forth. We're 67-61 in favor of Blue this time with less than a minute left to go. Only a few amplified notes are going to make the difference here in match 107. 2056 deep in Blue Alliance territory to retrieve some of those notes and send it on over back to the Red Alliance speaker. They line themselves up and send it into the back with ease. One note soars high through the sky, courtesy of 245, making their way back over, getting shut down a little bit by 7762, the autopilots. Red Alliance finishes their amplification and takes the lead back from the Blue Alliance, jumping to 83-69 points. That guitar riff means it's time for our end game. Teams are going to transition towards the stage. Human players are going to unleash their Frisbee skills. Up and over they go. 3018 is going to be first on stage along with 4907 for Blue. Let's see how many robots we can get in the air. Looks like Red Alliance is going to try to make it 3. Blue Alliance has 3 up in the air. Red Alliance does as well. Lots of pull-ups going on across the field for match 107. And we 88-80. Red Alliance is going to walk home with 3 ranking points. 2 for the win and 1 for the ensemble. A little bit of shake-up in the rankings. 2056 is going to drop down to 3rd. We will be back with match number 108 in just a moment.